continuing professional development is very good for us. Thank you and congratulations. And let us not forget, technical vocational. Please, yan ang hinahanap sa atin ng Middle East countries. Yan ang hinahanap ng mga Europeans. Ating mga what do you call it, skilled workers who will help them. But don't work for them. Work first for the Filipinos. Before you go to the Middle East and the other countries. Congratulations! So, maligaya na kami sa board kasi nakilala namin kayo. Congratulations sa inyo. Sana pagbutihin ninyo at kami magiging maligaya na rin kasi na kami ay medyo hindi na masyadong bata ang mukha ninyo. Pero maligaya pag nakita namin kayo nagtagumpay. So, ating lupusin ang inyong status. So, magkakaroon na tayo ng reciting of the oath of loyalty to our profession. Remember, walang doktor, walang abogado, walang engineer, walang silang lahat na professionals kung wala tayo. Subalit, those to whom much is given must also give up much. So, kailangan magbigay din tayo na karapat-dapat na ibinigay sa atin. Okay, stand up please. And in the presence of our board and other officials, you will recite your oath of loyalty to the teaching profession. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Of region, state your region. Hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical standards and professional roles of teachers in the Philippines and in the world. And I will discharge faithfully to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized professional teacher. So help me God. Congratulations, new professional teachers. And now the final touch. Take out your symbol. That is our symbol as professional teachers, the pin. If you look at the figures and the colors, they symbolize what the teaching profession really means. But please don't pin it on yourself. Please face your nearest fellow inductee and pin on each other. That way you witness one another's oath.
Children. On your mark, get set, go! We are new licensed Okay, sige. Pwede na yun. Mapuna kayo. Yan. Sinasabi na nga ba, pag ano itong instructions, nakukulakan tayo. Today is a day of celebration, gratitude, and pride. After years of study, sacrifice, sleepless nights, teaching internship and examinations, you have really finally reached a significant milestones in your professional journey. On behalf of the Philippine Association for Teachers and Educators, PAFTE Incorporated, I warmly welcome all of you to the teaching profession. As you take your oath today, you are not simply receiving a license. You are accepting a noble responsibility to shape minds, inspire dreams, and to help build the future of our nation. Teaching has always been more than a profession. It is a calling, a mission, and a lifelong commitment to learning and service. But while passing the licensure examination for teachers marks the end of one chapter, it is also the beginning of another. The truth is that becoming a teacher is not the finish line. It is just a starting point of lifelong journey of professional growth and continuous development. This is where PAFTE can become your professional home. For the past 58 years, PAFTE has served as one of the country's leading professional organizations for teachers and educators. Through generations of educational reforms, generations of technological advances and changes, evolving classroom realities, PAFTE has remained committed to helping teachers grow, connect, and succeed. As a new professional teacher, you may be asking yourself, what comes next? The answer is simple. Continue learning, continue growing, continue building meaningful connections with your fellow educators. When you become a member of PAFTE, you become a part of a vibrant professional organization and learning community. You gain access to a network of licensed teachers, educational leaders, researchers, and mentors who can support you throughout your career. Teaching can sometimes feel challenging and even isolating, but through PAFTE, you'll find colleagues who share your passion, your aspirations, and your commitment to excellence. PAFTE also provides numerous opportunities for professional development through seminar workshops, conferences, and webinars designed to keep you current with educational innovations and best practices. By the way, immediately after 2 weeks and all the oath-taking ceremonies are done,
Basil Faustino with an average rating of 93.20% from
This means that your relationship with the PRC does not end after today's oath-taking ceremony. In many ways, it is only beginning. The Commission will continue to support your professional journey.
Okay. Well, you have witnesses, distinguished guests.
Si Mother.